Hello, everyone. My name is Billy Gibbons, and I'm a physical education teacher at South High School in Worcester, Massachusetts. I'm going to be going through the MyFitnessPal resource, which was mentioned in Appendix A in our book. MyFitnessPal is a free program that people can use to track calories and physical activity. This resource can be accessed by going to www.myfitnesspal.com. It also can be downloaded as an app on any smartphone. As long as you have the internet, you'll be able to access this website. So when you log on to the website, what you're going to see is a login and sign up button. If you click this sign up button here, it's going to bring you to a screen where you enter your email address and password. Once you find a username and password, you're going to get an email, and you're going to have to verify it. Once you verify it, you're going to be brought to a screen with your updated diet profile. All right, so you're going to enter in all the information about your weight. More importantly, what I want to focus in right here is your goal. So each student will add in a goal of if they want to lose weight, gain weight, maintain current weight, and be honest about their normal daily activities. In my case, it's going to be 5 workouts a week because they'll be in physical education class. And after that, you're going to be brought to a screen that breaks down how many calories, how many carbs, fat, protein you're going to want as your target each day. So once you click Get Started Now, you're going to be brought to your home screen. And when you're at your home screen, you're going to see a few options. All right, your daily summary is going to pop up with how many calories you have remaining, all right, depending on how much food you've had that day and how much exercise that you've had that day. So once you give it time to load, it will pop up, all right? And while we're waiting on that, we're going to click on food. When we click on food here, it's going to bring you up to a screen, and this is the screen where you're going to add in what you have. So let's say, for instance, for breakfast, you had an apple. You're going to search their database for apples, all right? And again, this is not what I had for breakfast. This is just an example. I had a medium apple here. You're going to add in to your food diary, and it's going to pop up for breakfast. Again, you can search anything, and then you're going to want to try to find the best option for what you have. All right. Same thing for exercise. Let's say right after that apple, you had a light breakfast, and then you went on a run. Okay. Let's say we went running. You're going to search the database for some type of cardiovascular exercise. Let's say I did a 6-minute mile. You're going to add in how long you did it. So specific, let's say I did it for 25 minutes. You add the exercise in. Boom. That's going to add your exercise. You can do strength training. Again, you can look through the database of what type of exercise you've done. And in my physical education class, what we would do is we would talk about the differences of cardiovascular and strength training and try to get the best assessment for what they did that day. So when you go back to my home, students are going to see an updated daily summary of their calories. So with the food and with their exercise, they still have to eat over 2,700 calories, okay? So more importantly, what you're going to do is you're going to click on reports, and this is where I come in. You are able to export a report regarding your weight, but more importantly, your calories burned in exercise minutes, which I would be concerned with as a physical education teacher. Perhaps a health teacher would want to do the calories if they're going through a nutrition lesson. So when you hit export, you can send that to a specific person. If you do not want to export that, you're going to go into Community, and then you are going to click on Invite Friends. When you invite friends, okay, and it says right here as it's highlighted, once your friends have joined, you will be able to monitor each other's progress and provide each other support and encouragement. All right, so this is another way where if one of my students exercised, they add in their exercise, it's going to pop up on my homepage. Okay, my homepage will come. This is much like a social media aspect where your profile is going to include your name, everything about me, and it's going to be somewhat like a Facebook or a social media site where you can track people's progress and updates. Again, this is a free program that can be used via the website or the app. I find this to be extremely useful in my class. It has the potential to bring in blended learning and a cross-curriculum aspect to my PE class. This program allows students to do something that was virtually impossible before. There are very few units that have students track their diet and write down what they consume. And if there is one, it's very vague. This allows students to specifically see what they are eating, break down the nutrients, and add in physical activity in order to reach their own specific goals for fitness. From a Bloom's taxonomy lens, This app allows users to create a new outlook on their fitness. They will be evaluating their caloric intake and types of foods that they are eating while tracking their physical output. With a number of different graphs and comparisons from week to week, students will be able to analyze their data in order to apply modifications to their differentiated lifestyle and goals. This program will help them understand and remember key facts and components to how they can lead a life of fitness. Thank you all for tuning in. I realize that this is more geared towards physical education and health teachers, so thank you for the time to check this out. Appreciate it.